Hi everyone, it's the editor here from robinhooddashcam. Hope you're well, staying safe, and as always are enjoying the videos. And welcome back to the second coffee review video, but more importantly a thank you. Big thank you to Robin Hood Dashcam fans JimBotron5000 and YOUJNottinghamBorn, who both bought me a coffee through the Buy Me a Coffee website. Thank you so much for showing your appreciation. The caffeinated drinks were very well received. So let's get into it. So what have I bought? I bought a bit of a mega haul from Aldi. I tried, like my first video, if you've seen it, to try and video inside the shop, and I was getting some funny looks from the security guard. I'm not the sort of guy that's comfortable really walking around with a phone videoing. I'm a bit old for that, to be honest with you. I'll leave that up to Gen Z. But the important thing is, in the sanctuary of my own kitchen, I was able to video the products I bought. And this is what I bought. So, first off, some Dark Thunder knockoff Monster energy drink. Lovely. Iced Joe coffee, caramel latte, and thick banana milkshake. There was also another coffee I bought with this, but it got lost in the boot of my car and I had to film it the following day. With the power of editing though, you won't notice. Looking a bit closer at the Dark Thunder, as you can see, loaded full of sugar, and it gave me the jitters. Had it mid-morning one day and I was wired till gone 3 PM in the afternoon. So it definitely did its job. Bit too sweet for me, but hey-ho. Given up energy drinks a long time ago. The Ice Show coffee was quite nice. Again, it kept me relatively caffeinated for quite a while and was pretty sweet, but not too bad. It was nice, and typically I like black coffee, so it went well. The banana, I did fail a little bit. I did have it with a meal. I had it with curry in replacement of a lassi. Big mistake. Didn't quite get the same flavour as such that I like, but no, it was good all the same for what it was. Using the power of editing, here it is, Latte Cappuccino, the fourth drink I bought. Yeah, a bit sugary for my tastes. As I've mentioned before, I do like black coffee, but it tasted absolutely fine. At only 250 mils, it was ideal really for an afternoon drink. I don't try to drink too much caffeine after 3, but it was good enough, and it was a nice hot day when I had it. So yeah, very much appreciated. Thank you so much for buying me that one. Big thank you again to everyone that's donated a coffee to me thus far. If you want to do so and show your appreciation to the editor, all the links and all the information are in the video description and the comments below. And of course, if you donate me one, I'll make you a video. That's all for now. Thank you for watching and take care. Bye bye.